for the chocolate chip cookie. 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 2 butter sticks, 2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 3/4 cups of white sugar, half cup of brown chocolate chip, half cup of white chocolate chip. Let's start doing the chocolate chip cookies. The chocolate chip cookies are very crunchy and chewy. Now I'm gonna add the dry ingredients in the big bowl. Now I'm going to add the all-purpose flour in the big bowl. Now I'm going to add the salt and baking soda. I'm going to whisk together now. Now it's well combined. I have take my another big bowl. Now I'm going to add 2 sticks of butter in the big bowl. Now I put it the butter. Make sure the butter is in room temperature. I'm going to add the white sugar and brown sugar. Now I'm going to add vanilla extract in the big bowl. I'm going to use electric hand mixer. It's easy to mix this. Look at the mixture, how fluffy it is. Now I'm going to add eggs one at a time. Again, I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to add the second egg in mix. Now I'm going to mix it again. This batter's looking great. It's time to add the flour mixture in the bowl. We're not gonna put the flour mixture in whole. We're gonna put it little and mix it. I'm going to add it. I am going to mix it. The cookie dough's ready. Look how fluffy it is. Now I'm going to add the chocolate in the batter. Now I'm going to add the white chocolate in the batter. I'm going to mix it using this spatula. The chocolate chip dough is ready. smells good. Now I'm going to eat it. It tastes very good. Bye. See you.